Welcome to another video of Embedded Blockchain. If you are new to this channel, I hope you enjoy our videos and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you are not new to this channel, then welcome back and don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, you will learn how the CPU executes instructions stored in memory. Now you know that the computer has a data bus and an address bus. The program counter points to the next instruction, which in this case is address 01. The program is stored in memory as machine code, that is zeros and ones. To make the explanation simpler and to avoid confusion, we will use the assembly language, which is human readable. Assembly language is the closest thing to machine language, but can be read and interpreted by humans also. The first step the CPU does is to load the program counter into the address bus. Now the address bus contains the address of the instruction to be executed, which is at address 01. The second step is that the CPU loads the instruction stored at address 01 into the data bus. Shortly after this, the program counter is increased. It now points to the next address, which is 02. The instruction stored at address 01 clear destination. The third step is to execute the instruction in the CPU. The CPU decodes the instruction and performs the command given to it. In this example, the command is to clear the destination address 0f. The value stored at address 0f is cleared to 0. By clearing, we mean setting the value to 0. The process repeats again. The PC is loaded into the address bus. The address bus now contains value 02. The instruction stored at address 02 is loaded into the data bus. The program counter is increased to the next address, pointing to the next instruction. The instruction is decoded and executed by the CPU. The instruction is increase destination address 0f. The value at address 0f is increased. Now we have a value of 1 at address 0f. The process repeats again. The program counter is loaded into address bus with value 03. The instruction at address 03 is loaded into data bus. The instruction jump to address 02 is executed by the CPU. The result of executing the instruction jump 02 is that the program counter is modified with the value 02. Now the next instruction to be executed is at address 02. The instruction stored at address 02 is loaded into the data bus. The program counter is increased to the next address, pointing to the next instruction. The instruction is decoded and executed by the CPU. The instruction is increase destination address 0f. The value at address 0f is increased. Now we have a value of 2 at address 0f. This process repeats again and again until the process is interrupted. This is an infinite loop. The example I just showed you is written like this in C language. It basically increases a variable infinitely until the program is interrupted. When you compile this program, the compiler will translate this to assembly code and then to machine code. The machine code will be stored in memory and the CPU will read and execute the instructions stored in memory. This is how the CPU executes a program stored in memory.